This studio exhibits the work of the post-professional master's program, or rather the first 2 semesters of that program. Directed by Diana Agrest, this program investigates and does very deep research into questions of urbanism and questions of the natural landscape. In urbanism this year, the students investigated the relationship of various kinds of catastrophes in cities. And in the second semester, the students investigated the idea of nature, vast natural landscapes studied for their geological, ecological, and architectonic capacities. In the Houghton Gallery here is the work of the 5th year undergraduate thesis. The thesis is a very unique 1-year experience at Cooper, where for the first semester students are asked to look at the world that they're about to step into, research that world and find a problem or conditions which they feel could be alleviated or ameliorated by architecture. Projects this year ranged enormously in scale, scope, and place, from studying the agricultural conditions of the Midwest and the falling away of the aquifers and the kinds of tools that could begin to restore both industry and agriculture in those conditions, to the study of the almost lost civilizations of Australia.